I'm Kiki, I'm the chef of Seva Experience here in Dubai, and today I'm very excited to share with you Arepas recipe. Arepas is a typical dish from my country. I'm from Venezuela. For us, it's breakfast, dinner, lunch, whatever. And arepas really save our life. So for that, it's super easy. And this is the brand that we use. It's basically a corn flour. I don't know what is so different to the rest. I've been trying all the corn flours that I can find in Dubai, but never gonna get like this one. And you can find this one in Dubai, in any Lulu Express, on any Lulu supermarket, and some Carrefour, you will find it. There, this is just corn. And we're gonna need some water. Today I will teach you how we learn Venezuelans. Nobody tell us 1 cup of water, 2 cups, no. You learn how, when you make it. So we add a little bit of water. This is Kangen water with happiness. We add a little bit of salt. And then from here, you can just be creating some turmeric, some pepper. You always add a little bit of pepper in every turmeric when you add turmeric, so you hit the anti-inflammatory effect of the turmeric. Then we just add, and here sometimes my favorite recipe is I add some grated carrots and some chia seeds in the mix. There are some people that add grated, my hands been clean with Kangen water, by the way. I like to add, carrots with some chia seeds. And that gives me a lot of fiber there, a lot of color, more flavor. But you can just add whatever you feel free to. Any spices. We add sometimes a little bit of sweeteners. I like to add a little bit of date syrup. So you will mix, to be careful you don't have any balls, okay? And you want a little bit more soft than this. Why? Because the flour will absorb the water, so then it will be too hard for you. So you can just check how is the texture, and you will add the water that you need. Some people add some fats on it to make it a little bit more crispy, the result. The sweeteners is to make it the flavor of the corn shine, go more high. And you want this texture that is soft, it's not super hard. And we're just gonna keep it to rest a little bit. After you let rest and have the texture that we like it have to be soft, but not so liquid, because we're gonna make a nice round shape with it. Normally, what my mother say, you always have a cup of water next to you, so you wet a little bit your hands, and you will take in your hand a beautiful ball. You make a round ball, and then I like to say, then you make an alien shape, and then you make round. With the time, you will get it. I promise you. I teach people from Nepal, Uganda, Peruvians. Everyone learns how to make arepas nice. You will find your way. Okay? So this is what you want. So I heated the pan with a little bit of oil, just to avoid that it's gonna be sticky on it. And then we put it. Okay, so now we just gonna go, and you want that beautiful color. It's gonna be the crispy one, and then we're gonna left cooking from the other side. Meanwhile, it's finished to cook. I want to do this recipe of tomatoes are really from my mother. It's the most simple thing, but it's going so well with the arepas. Any tomatoes. In this case, we have only cherry tomatoes, multicolor. So I'm just gonna slice them different colors so they look beautiful. I will put them in a bowl with a little bit of lemon. Salt, pepper, just a touch of olive oil. Okay. And this will be the filling of the arepas. You can fill the arepas with whatever you want, really. Of course, in my country, made with whatever kind of meat that you want, but I'm going beyond that. And we can put everything that you want plant-based. I make with cheese, with tomato, with mushroom, whatever. Today I will fill with the tomatoes that we just made and some of my wasabi cream cheese. So these are fermented cashew that we make homemade, and it really can replace the cheese flavor. Okay. Temperature, you always want to go with a medium temperature, kind of. And you just want a crispy one. Some people say when you're doing like that and you hear the sound like it's air inside, that means it's done. So we're just gonna take it here. We will open inside. And the smell. Okay. So we open. This is the way that we eat. We open halfway, then. I mean, you can put vegan butter, margarine, mustard, and then fill it. For me, these tomatoes with the lemon over there and everything is so perfect with the arepas and reminds me my mother for every dinner she was making. Thank you.